Today your girl needs a pamper day. These cute butterfly earrings. बड़ी cute cute चीजें पहनी हैं आजकल मैं. Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So it's Sumita and today your girl needs a pamper day. So I'm heading out for the salon. My eyebrows needs to get done. My nails ऐसी की तैसी हो रखी है nails की. So we'll get the nails done. I'll have pedicure as well. So I am getting ready. I have just worn this dress and show you the dress I'm wearing today. So I'm not gonna do any makeup because I'm heading to the salon. So what's the need? So let's do a little of my lipstick, blush, mascara. That's it. Skin is prepped. Wearing this dress. Let's do some hair and some hair. Let's do the hair. कुछ खास तो करना नहीं है मुझे वैसे, but let's just do it whatever I can and put some lipstick on, blush, and that's all. Let's head out because I'm getting late. So, did my hair थोड़ा बहुत whatever I could. थोड़ा blush, lipstick on, not putting any mascara because it's going to get ruined because of the eyebrows threading. So I'm ready. Let's a little accessorize. I'm putting these earrings. See, cute. Let's put it on. Going with the dress. Nice. Okay. Victoria's Secret's bombshell. Taking this cute bag. I got this yesterday. Cute, isn't it? Nice. How is it looking? It's cute, I guess. Yeah, I can't wear heels this time, so wearing these flats. So I'm going out for a pamper day. I've got a salon collaboration, so I also needed a salon day. So let's go. I will be going to Cindy Beauty Salon, which is in Jumeirah, and I'm in Dubai right now. So it's a Dubai collab. Let's go. Didn't have breakfast, so eating first before going. Pet puja. Egg sandwich. It's good.
$9.
Good, yeah. So I reached at the location and this is how the Cindy Glow Beauty Salon looks like from the outside. This is in Jumeirah and they have their own dedicated space for parking, so you don't have to worry about that. Let me show you the salon from inside. How does it look like? See. And of course they have dedicated space for everything. This is where the nails are getting done and this is the space for manicure, pedicure. Very cozy, very comfortable. और ये देखो मेरे नेल्स की क्या हालत हो रखी है एंड दैट इज़ इंस्पिरेशन ऑन द अपर लेफ्ट कॉर्नर जैसे मुझे चाहिए नेल्स. सो द नेल टेक्नीशियन स्टार्टेड हर वर्क एंड यू सी हाउ इनक्रेडिबली dedicated she is towards her work. Now, seriously, I love when a salon feels this welcoming. It instantly sets the vibe for a perfect pamper session. The nail technician was super gentle and she discussed everything with me before initiating this whole process. तो मैंने इस बार आलमंड शेप प्रेफर किए. मैंने लाइफ में 2 ही बार नेल एक्सटेंशन करवाए हैं. एंड जस्ट लुक एट द नेल्स. यार मेरी मेहंदी करवा चौथ से अभी नेल से नहीं उतरी थी एंड इट वाज लुकिंग डिस्गस्टिंग. So surely these nail extensions were really needed. See, the polished application was literally flawless. I'm telling you, just look at that shine. I mean, they are gorgeous. They look natural, super neat, and exactly what I envisioned. I'm honestly obsessed. Can you see that? Oh my god, I'm just loving these nails. So sundar. Beautiful. So next we moved on to my eyebrows, and that is honestly one of the most important steps for me. और बहुत ही सुंदर eyebrows हुए थे. The most relaxing part of my pamper day for me, a good pedicure is not just about the pretty toes, it's about comfort, hygiene, and that fresh, clean feeling. And this was literally done very gently. And then comes my favorite part, the foot and calf massage. Wow, it was really heavenly. I can feel all the tiredness melting away. It was really nice. And then she moved on to apply nail paint. एंड मैंने अपने हाथों के नेल से मैचिंग ही कलर वहाँ पे चूज़ करा था. दैट वाज अ डार्क ब्राउन शेड. I mean, look at this, how glossy and how perfect the nail paint is looking. I could just stare at it the whole day. And again, they had two separate spaces, dedicated rooms for the face treatment and waxing. This is for the face treatments. Look how clean and hygienic it looks. ये थोड़ी face की treatments की machinery है. And there is another space for the waxing. Of course, हर salon में waxing का अलग dedicated space होता है. And they do have that. So that was my little pamper day at Cindy Glow Beauty, and I genuinely had a great experience. That staff was amazing. अब मैं अपने nails ही देखती रहूँगी because I'm obsessed with my new nails. So this is it for today's vlog. See you in the next very soon. Take care. Bye bye.